Hello everyone, and I've got to keep playing that I think over and over again. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone. It's been wonderful to be with you all yesterday. It was something special. Thank you all again. Just wonderful to see you all on your time off and to give me the time that you did yesterday. It was very humble of me to be part of your lives as well, and very humble for you to celebrate with me as well. I thought I'd just make this quick video. Thank everyone. I've made a separate one for my wife and a separate one for Naveen, but you know, it's all going to be clean and that sort. So thank you once again. Thanks to everyone for coming out. We'll make another venue, and then we can kind of get together again if in the near future. I just want to say thank you to Sam helping Heena organise, and thanks to Heena again with the little time she has to spend it on her own things, but she's always doing everything else for everyone, so thanks to them. Thanks to Heena, thanks to Sam, and thanks to John taking time out. Thanks Sophie. I know she didn't make it, but you know, her presence is always there, and I think she's a working lady, working hard. Let's hope she achieves what she can, and thanks to Lewis, thanks to Harrison, and thanks again to Sam's mum as well for making the time out and coming out. And we really want to see Dave on the next one, even if he just comes in and doesn't eat, but I think I'd like to see him more out, just enjoying himself and seeing what he can be doing, you know. So I think if he takes it in small steps, it's going to be great for him, and it'd be good to see kind of a smile on you guys as well, because I know you've got a family member that's ill. It's like the backbone, and it's kind of, there's always that mind at the back here, so my best wishes are there. And then to Laura and Ashley, and to Brendan, thank you all very much. The chickens have flown away, I'm afraid, on Nando's, so I'm absolutely blown up now with wings and stuff, so thank you so much for that. It's a very good gesture of you, wonderful gesture. I'm going to have to take you out for a Nando's treat, but thank you all so much. And not forgetting Pix as well. I think she had a good time as well, both very quiet, but I really enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you so much for your time out. Wonderful family time. Thanks for your cards and your vouchers and everything else, and it was just absolutely splendid to see you all. And I want to thank Naveed as well for his wonderful card. Obviously it's a mammoth of a card, so a big person, big card, lovely message inside, and impressively getting old now, so I can't dye my hair any more than I can, I suppose, but you know, that's a wonderful thing. So family there, your family as well, so thank you all so much for the wonderful time. I've got to do this once more. That is something small, but for me it's absolutely brilliant, so yeah, thank you for that, and thank you for the other cards as well there. So yeah, it was supposed to be a short video, but I think I've gone over 5 minutes, but we'll edit it and cut it. I'm sure Heena will chop a few things off, but not, you know, nothing nasty. But best wishes to everyone. Thank you once again, and our thoughts are with David and Carol, and you know, things will get back to normal, but I think it'll take time, won't it? So yeah, our prayers and wishes are, and our prayers and du'as, as we say in our language, are always with you guys, and hopefully the best will shine on everyone one day. So yeah, thanks again, thank you.